Late but not now, this Ron from RonTJ.com. So, finally, nakahiram din tayo from Realme Philippines itong Realme GT Master Edition. And, although there are two types ng Realme GT na pinahiram sa media like me. And there's the Naoto Fukusawa, and buti na lang we got the better version. Actually, ito yung official commercial unit, itong Realme GT Master Edition. So, okay lang na mahuli kami. So, here it is as we unpack on this one. Yan, so ito yung itsura nung official package. So, nakita nyo yung harapan, ganito yung likod. Ibang-iba ito kumpara sa mga nakikita natin na talagang dominated by yellow yung packaging ng Realme. Ito is black. It reminds me of wine, iga nga eh. Pero on the foam package. So, dito yung key specs ng Realme GT Master Edition. Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, 120Hz Super AMOLED display, 65 watts super dark charge, and super slim and light master design. And syempre, bago tayo mapunta sa puro, pakita muna natin ibang laman ng package. Ito yung 65 watt na Huawei super dark charger. Isa to sa pinaka gusto ko na malakas na charger kasi sobrang compact pa rin niya. Tama-tama lang yung lapad, especially if you're working on an extension cord na hindi naman ganoon kalaki yan yung spacing in between those outlets. Tapos napansin din natin, syempre USB Type-C. Pansin natin na compared do sa mga 40 watt chargers ng Realme, uli puti na siya ngayon. I don't know what it focus lang natin. Hindi natin ma-focus. Yan. Hindi natin focus lang natin. Focus lang natin. Yan o. So, uli puti siya. So, medyo fascinating lang sa akin. Kasi ito yung paperworks ng Realme GT Master Edition. Kung saan nandito yung mga user quick guide and meron siyang user manual sa loob nitong paperworks na ito. And ito yung tsura nung case nitong Realme GT Master Edition, which not bad for its included in the package. At ito na nga yung itsura ng Realme GT Master Edition. Binut na natin on this one. So, medyo cut lang tayo on this one. Gaya na nabanggit ko, hindi natin nakuha yung Naoto Fukusawa edition, which is tama lang yung decision natin na we got this one, which is a Daybreak Blue. Nandito yung triple camera grill on this one. Realme logo. Tapos talagang manipis talaga siya. Manipis. So, manipis yung profile niya, ika nga. And ang nagustuhan natin is tiyatay first time na makaranas tayo ng 120Hz refresh rate sa AMOLED display ng isang Realme smartphone. And ang ganda so far nung physical feels na nakuha ko on this one. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching nga pala. Ito yung unpacking and first look ng Realme GT Master Edition, the Naoko Fukusawa edition. Inakuha natin, which my own opinion is mas maganda for me on this one. And good thing nakuha natin official commercial unit. So, lalagay natin sa baba later on. So, abang-abang lang sa video na to. Yung written review nito very soon. So, please like and subscribe on this channel. And also, please follow our social media accounts at the description below. So, this one from RonTJ.com. Thank you very much for watching.